Starters, let's see what a 3x3 cube consists of. It has three main parts: center, edge, and corner. To understand how these algorithms work, you have to learn the Rubik's Cube lingo. All moves are written down in letters that stand for one 90-degree cube rotation: R, right; L, left; U, up; D, down; F, front; and B, back. An apostrophe means that the layer should move counterclockwise by 90 degrees. No apostrophe means it goes 90 degrees clockwise. When there's a number next to the letter, it stands for the number.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed.